understand the shape of s orbitals. S orbitals are spherical in shapes. 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 3s orbital have been shown here. Now these dots are not many electrons, guys. These are the various positions of a possible electron. So if I consider the 3s orbital, then this layer of dots represents 1s orbital. This is 2s orbital. This is 3s orbital. So 1s orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. So these dots represent the various positions of these 2 electrons, because electrons do not remain stationary. This is 2s orbital. So various dots represent the various possible positions of the 2 electrons present in 2s orbital, and so is with the 3s orbital. This is 2s orbital, which has one node. This has 2 nodes. Now what is a node? This and this are the 2 nodes in the 3s orbital. The nodes are the spaces around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is minimum. So these are the spaces through which the electron travels. For example, if an electron present in this 1s orbital absorbs heat and goes to the higher level, that is 3s orbital, then it releases the light energy and returns back to its ground state. Then these are the spaces through which it travels. It's like space through which we travel, but we do not reside there. Hence, these are the shape of s orbitals. Next we have shape of p orbitals. P orbitals have a dumbbell shape. See this, px, py and pz. Px orbital is along x-axis, y orbital along y-axis and pz orbital along z-axis. Now if you see the shape of d orbital, then it is a double dumbbell shape. Have a look. It's a 2D planar structure. dxy is between x and y axis, dyz between y and z axis, dxz between x and z axis. dx square minus y square is on the x and y axis. So one dumbbell on the x axis and one dumbbell on the y axis, and dz square is along the z axis. So these are the actual shapes of d orbitals. The shape of f orbitals is still ambiguous, not in enough details in the world. So this is a video related to the shape of s orbitals, shape of p orbitals, which are dumbbell, and shape of d orbitals. However, we need to specify this is for 2px, 2py, 2pz, 3px, 3py, 3pz. So n value doesn't matter. The shape would remain the same whether it is in third, fourth, fifth, sixth, any shape. Thanks for now.